purpose of this video is gonna be two three-way switch and a four-way in between the power I like. So here we go. We got the boxes. We got the single box. So let's get our switch. So it doesn't matter where I put it, it's just for demonstration. Okay, so this right here is what we call a home run. It goes all the way to the breaker panel to your box, to your J box. So my first switch is going to be right here. My first three-way is going to be right here. I'm going to feed the three-way to my four-way, from my four-way back to my three-way, then to my light. So here we go. We actually need a 14-3 to start the process. I'm gonna feed my 14-3 all the way. And for code, NEC code, wherever you have a box, you have to staple your wire no more than 12 inches from the box. So you see I already have a staple right here. So I'm gonna just put that through. Pull this through.
I just added directions. Minimum would have been like this first out.
There we go. There's some more slack. Go right there. So that's our 14-3. Coming right here. To our four-way. Got a four-way right there. So this box is actually missing a nail. Let me just tap it in real quick. So I'm not gonna staple this, or I should. Let me just staple it. So it's code no more than 12 inches. So I'm just gonna put it right here, just around 6 inches. That's fine right there. Okay. Now from this, we need another three-way from this four-way, feed in this box. For demonstration purpose, I'm just gonna put this across real quick. Not gonna pull it through the wall. Just gonna pull it across, just like this. Okay. So here's the important thing now. We got our home run right here in the main box, coming all the way 14-3 to the four-way, 14-3 to the three-way. So you always want to start with a three-way. If you're going to install a four-way switch, you always want to start with a three-way and end with a three-way. That's it. So we're now gonna use a 14-2 coming from this three-way back to that switch. Back to the light as you run. Put it right here. A 14-2 coming out for my light. And I'm gonna remove this staple. Well, this is not mine. This is my partner's section right over there. So I'm gonna get my own staple. Staple these wires right here. No more than 12 inches. Fine. So here's a trick now. We got it in place. I'm gonna grab our tools, screwdriver, wire stripper, and I'm gonna install my first three-way. So what I want to do, I want to strip these bad boys. So our neutral, get that strip. And what I always want to do with my neutral, you don't ever want to connect your neutral to the switch, because power cycles. So it's gonna come in from your hot, cycle all the way back to the neutral, back to the power grid. Okay. I'm actually gonna Wega these. Very nice device right here. Just stick it in, pop it in. That's it. Pop the neutral in from my home run, and that's it. That's done. Use that boy. So this wire right here is coming from my home run. So I want to put it on my common. Power coming in, my top. This is common. This where I'm gonna put my travelers right here. traveler, my ungrounded conductor goes below, right there. This is power come in, power goes out. So we're sending this power to the four-way. This is my traveler. I have my traveler right here. And then my ground. I have a pigtail for my ground. Already made with the Wago. So I'm gonna Wago these in. Wago from my 14.3 and Wago from the ground from my home run. So it's all connected back to the panel. That's that. Connect my grounding conductor right here. So the ground. Green is always ground. Okay. So that's my first switch. So what this is doing, this is going all the way to my four-way. So four-way right here. It's a four-way switch. Has two conductor at the top, two at the bottom. The three-way switch has two at the bottom, one on the side. So it has three. Four-way switch has four. So I'm gonna get my four-way. It's 11-10 four-way. So coming in from my 14.3 right here. The only two wires I need are these, red and black, on my ground. Now the way you do this is, if you're sending power to this four-way switch, if you look at the back, you see where it say input, and at the bottom, you see where it say output. So you want to bring the power to the input and send the power from the output to the ending three-way. So I'm gonna connect to my input, power coming in. I'm gonna wave on my ground.
Put a pigtail.
Yeah, I'm a pigtail. I'm gonna get a pigtail from my ground. Got a pigtail. I just wiggle my ground. Connect my ground. So, check this out now, guys. So, bear in mind, I have my 14.3 going to my last three-way. So from this four-way, I have a wire going to my ending three-way. So this wire, remember, we had the input at the top. So now the power comes in, we're gonna send it out to the three-way. Only two wires I need, once more, red and black. black on the same side. So black and black. Red and red. I know if y'all notice, we got the neutral. There's no way for the neutral to be connected. Wrong. You wanna wiggle these neutral. That's it. Because we already got the neutral over here going back to the grid. So we wanna continue that path.
You guys check it out, go ahead and check your stuff out real quick. We're going to be ready for lunch.
Got that right there. Got that right there. And that's a four-way. Now, last but not least, let's finalize this three-way. This. We got our ground. So what we're gonna do, coming from the four-way, we're gonna coming in. This conductor at the top. Now we go to our traveler, we connect that. And then we want to wiggle our ground. This is the 14.2 going all the way to the light. So we're gonna wiggle that from the 14.2 on the 14.3. Connect this ground.
There's no pigtail? No
Yeah,
ground?
yeah, we pigtail the ground. And then the neutral, we're also gonna wiggle that. And now we want to send power. If power is coming in, then it has to go out. And this is where we connect our ungrounded conductor to our common and the switch common. Right there. And that's it for three-way, and then three-way. So now we're moving over to the light. We're gonna be using a porcelain device. So it has no ground because it's not metal. This is where we want to connect the neutral and the hot, grounded conductor and the ungrounded conductor. Black to brass or hot to brass, neutral to silver. And because this is porcelain, we don't need the ground. So just wrap that up, stick it in. And we want to test this bad boy. From my station, I'm gonna grab my key so I can power it up. Let's go. Moment of truth.
So salty. I am.
It's a lockout tagout. Always want to keep your stuff locked. So let's go rock. Light, let there be light. That's it. Hey, stay tuned. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe, share. Thank you.